Hey, my name is Ronishan Jackson, and in today's video we're going to be talking about AI UGC.
I used to drag through mornings and crash mid-workout. Then I tried AG1, one scoop, all my greens, vitamins, and probiotics in one. Now I crush my workouts, have steady energy all day, and my body actually feels nourished. If you're tired of feeling sluggish, try this, you won't regret it.
In this video, I'll take you through the true breakdown of how to create this character consistency and AI UGC in just a few steps. The first thing you need to focus is what is the story that you want to tell. First thing you need to get really locked in is the AI actor. What the actor looks like, what its appearance, what is the voice. All of these things you need to determine early on in order to be able to maintain consistency. So the first thing I started with was with the actor and keeping in mind the product that want the actor to talk about. So the actor is nothing more, nothing less than the voice and the appearance of the character that I generated. So in this case, I use Z image to generate the initial image, like the foundation, and you can do that with other models, but in this case I use Z image. And let me show you actually how you can do this here on Avocado storyboards. So when you want to create it, you actually come here to Avocado storyboards, and you can create a new one from scratch, or you can check the workflow that I'm going to leave in the comments linked so that you can duplicate it and create something similar yourself. So first thing first, when you enter into your new storyboard, you're going to come here and click image generator, or A on the keyboard, and you can have that. So you're going to paste the prompt that I got from over here. And let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to start just generating this character. So in the meantime, like, different models generate different results, but I was already happy with this version of the actor. So I can even hide the prompt here or show it if I need to reference to it again. And the second thing is the product, like how this product will look like. The first image don't need to be transparent background. This is really just an example, but I use the transparent background in my case just because I wanted to give it more emphasis on the product, and then the product placement can be applied. So let's get back to the model. So personally, I like the first version more, generated with Z image, because I feel like it looks a bit more natural. While, oh, I remember why it's looking like this. It looks a bit more film grade because I actually have cinema mode active. So you need to disable that and generate again. But overall, I already was happy with this, so I'll go far with it. This unselected, you're going to see this edit image. You click on it, it already becomes your new starting point for editing, right? So we're not going to do that. What I like doing is just like testing the product and see how it looks in different settings, in different angles. So I took this image and I clicked generate, like edit image, and then I started to put references here. So I said how this will look in this product angle. So this prompt here is just like a beige background with the product centered in a pedestal. The second shot is pretty much it in another environment, where I create an iPhone shot of the product taken in the kitchen of the woman in the background doing her meal, semi-blurred. So just to create like a little blur. So I already have like a bit more of vision how this product would look in different contexts, and that's more than enough for me to continue moving forward. And I continue with the same image here. You just need to click on it, edit image once, and everything else that comes, it all refers from that product. You can use that one or the second one that you generated you liked most. As it's already here, all I used was this prompt here. So this prompt, what I used was create a 3x3 product photo shoot with multiple settings, placement, environment, standalone. So it does not include no human inside of it. And what it does, it generates an image with 3x3. So this case, I think it's actually a really cool hack that you can use this to generate multi-shot product, and then you can actually extract and see which images you like most. So to avoid spending so much credit. So imagine if you would have to generate each one of these images individually, you would have to test a lot of different prompts. Second, you would actually have to spend a lot of credit. So Nano Banana is not the cheapest model. So you want to keep the things down, the cost low. And this is one of the hacks I find to create images in variations and then extract the ones I like most. As we're creating a UGC video, it's important to see product placement, especially when you want to create B-rolls and also create the UGC, the character. So for this case, what I did was I just said, create a 3x3 product photo shoot with multiple settings, placement, environment, UGC style, lifestyle shot with image 2 of the woman attached. Make the shot natural, daily use cases, drinking, the supplement, etc. So this is a prompt I use, and I'm going to show you how to do that by yourself. So you can just select the first image like you would select on a canvas, edit image, then you just put it back here just for organization. And when you press put the prompt here and generate, I should have put it in other angle, other aspect ratio. But nevertheless, this works as well. When you use portrait as the aspect ratio, you're going to generate photo shots that looks like this. This hack will not only save you credit, but you can already see how you can create the B-roll. Because if you only generate a video of the woman standing and talking, it is going to be a bit of a nightmare. It's going to look super boring. So you want to make sure that you have B-roll set so that you can choose which part of the video that you want to have the A-roll, the shots where the woman is talking, and the B-rolls where you want your actor to be doing activities, using the product or product in display and things like that. In this case here, I really, really like this image. I like this one. And I also like this one of her at the gym. What I did here now was after generating that image, we have another example here. This is another example. I could also choose from these shots which one I like the most. But nevertheless, I like these ones. So what I did now was generate the full version, the full view of this image. And how I did that was just click in this image here, say edit image. So you can see it already changed to this image that is in question here. And what I did was use another prompt. And if you want this prompt, the link is going to be below. You can extract the image number 3, make it full view, maintain the character environment, keep the details. Simple as that, like plain English, no overcomplication or complex workflow, just simple English. And you can apply that to every image in this one that you like. If you like this one and this one, all you need to just count in the correct order and just set image 1 or image 3 or image 6 or image 9. In this case, I like image 8 and 9. So I also extracted those. Or I think I actually extracted all of them, but you get the point. All you need to do is just use this prompt here to extract the ones you like most. So I'm just going to show it in practice how you do it. Just copy that prompt. Just take this image, edit image, and then you extract. You're going to use it in aspect ratio of 9:16. This is going to create the portrait, and then you just generate. So we're going to come back to this. So this is the cool thing about storyboards is that you don't need to be waiting until the generation is ready. You can actually go and do something else. What we're going to do now is I'm already happy with all of these B-rolls. This is the lifestyle B-roll, and you can see the product is applied in all of them. And what you can do is already start thinking about the script. So you would do this, generally you would already have the script in mind. In my case, all I did was just uploaded the image. I said, I want to create a short UGC video about this AG1 supplement. What voice is going to be great for the script, for the overall supplement? It's going to be 30 seconds long maximum. And I want A-roll and B-roll. So the agent actually helped me choose to come up with the script. So like the time duration here, so you don't need to upload it to ChatGPT or other tools. You can do it right here, and it's going to help you to come up with the script. So the A-roll is said, you smile to the camera, hold the UGC, poach loosely, and the B-roll, this is like the voiceover is going to look like this, the B-roll is going to look like this. So you structure this and keep the timing so that when you're generating the images, you can just refer to this as part of your script. Pretty much extracted the images that I like most. So for example, this one, I transformed it into a video. So all I did was use this prompt and I just described the activity she's doing. So woman doing her leg day, workout movement, pushing up and down at the gym, the equipment, smooth camera movement, pan right, handheld. And this is what it looks like. And there you already have like a B-roll right there. And then you're just going to replicate this, like just pretty much write in plain English. And the model that I use actually for B-roll was the Kling 2.6 Pro. How you're going to do that is just click on the image you like, make video. You just come here, search Kling 2.6 Pro, and then you write the prompt as I shown. And you're going to do this and repeat it multiple times for all of the B-roll shots. And while those are being generated, all you need to do is just then start thinking about the voiceover. So you may be asking, how can you generate the voiceover? You ask for the AI to generate the script. You ask the AI to generate the script for you. It tells you all of the B-roll and the voiceover here. So this is the entire voiceover. And then what you can say, just create the voiceover based on the script. And it will give you these options of voices.
Your ideas deserve to be heard.
Or this.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Experience the power of AI voice.
I think this sounds a bit more commercial. So I like this one because it sounds a bit more natural.
Hello, this is how I sound.
So this sounds more natural. So I selected this voice here in the chat and it shows that it used the voice and it's going to generate the voiceover for you, the entire voiceover, if you ask it to. This is what
I
it
used
looks
to
like.
drag through mornings and crash mid-workout. Then I tried AG1, one scoop, all my greens, vitamins, and probiotics in one.
So this is like the full script of the voiceover. You download that audio and then you open it in CapCut. And what you can do in CapCut is just export only the parts that you find interesting, that you think the character should be talking. So you press I on the keyboard to start. Select the input, the in point, and the out point. So if you want it to be here, you O on the keyboard and that will do. So in my case, I only wanted this to be the output, the out point, and then export it. Come here, audio, format, MP3, export. This will save you so much time, and you don't need to generate the voiceover of the character with the same outfit appearance. You just need to break it down into smaller parts. That's why the importance of generating the image of the character in different environments. This way, when you go to create the voiceover, you can do that easily. So when you come here to Avocado now, all you need to do is just click here on the image. So this is my introduction image. Make video. You add the audio. In this case, this is the voiceover that I wanted to use. And then you add it here. So once it's already available here, then you just press generate. And it's going to create the first part of the introduction. So that is how it's going to look like here. You have it here. So this is the intro.
I used to drag through mornings and crash.
So I used to drive through mornings and crash, whatever. Let's come back a little bit more here.
I used to drag through mornings and crash mid-workout. Then I tried AG1.
So you already have the voiceover for here. And then you started to generate more and more B-rolls. And once you're happy with the voiceovers, with the part that have voiceovers, this is my end closing video. I just generated this image of her. I just asked to take this image, edit. And all I asked was to change the glass to a cup, gym bottle, and liquid visible, slightly change the camera and outfit of the selfie. And I generated this image. I clicked on this image, make video. And in this case, did the same process. I had fabric selected, upload the audio based on the audio that I want her to be speaking. And I generated the video. I'm not going to generate the video here because I already have it generated. And this is what it looks like.
If you're tired of feeling sluggish, try this. You won't regret it. If you're tired.
So there you go. You have the full script. Like you have all of the B-rolls, all of the product shots, all of the environments, and the voiceover. So when you go to edit now, this is what's going to look like. You just put it all together here in CapCut.
I used to drag through mornings and crash mid-workout. Then I tried AG1, one scoop, all my greens, vitamins, and probiotics in one. Now I crush my workouts, have steady energy all day, and my body actually feels nourished. If you're tired of feeling sluggish, try this. You won't regret it.
That's all you need to do is like think about the B-rolls, the lifestyle shot. Think about the character and how in different environment this character interact with the product. How it's going to demo in a product in a more subtle way. And this way you can generate like all of the images, make them into videos. And there you go. You have the B-rolls, the A-rolls. So for the A-rolls, which is her talking, you want to use fabric. And for the B-rolls, you want to use like Kling 2.6. So this way you can just consolidate everything. And you can even ask the AI agent here to create the music for you. So help me. You can actually not even improve the prompt, but you can actually ask it to create the music for you. It's a subtle background music. You can actually create it here in the music studio itself. The music studio, you can just write the prompt directly, download the audio. Sometimes it can be even faster from time to time, or you can just ask it directly. And when you combine all of that, and then you have something that is more highly converting, it's more realistic, and it doesn't look like those boring static ad of the person just talking about a product, but you have something more like production ready. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.